previously on The Cooking Man.
Yes, it's the cooking day and we are in the supermarket to get some basic ingredients, and then we're going like to the market to get the real ingredients. So we are in the market and I thought Hong Kong, since it's one of the cities with the most gap between rich and poor, why not cooking here for the homeless and for the poor? So let's do it. We are buying the ingredients and then we're gonna cook. Cheers. I'm with Daniel, like she's also helping me for buying the ingredients. So in the market, it's really cheap, and we bought these cashew nuts for $20, which is almost impossible to buy anything with $20 here in Hong Kong. Well, really basic stuff. But this market is really cheap and nice. So we're out of the market, we got the ingredients. Going back to the hostel and try to cook. Let's go. Then that's the kitchen, the hostel. They allowed us like to cook. So we are lucky to have the kitchen and we're gonna cook here. Let's do it. So now let's go down to the ingredients. So noodles, carrots, pepper, both colors, cilantro, zucchini, onion, both colors again, mushroom, and then some nuts to have the crunchy. Okay, we finished like cutting all the ingredients, so let's take a look. So now we're gonna mix all the ingredients by order and then cook it here in the bowl. We are almost done. You can see it's a really colorful, beautiful. It's one of the most colorful dishes I've ever cooked. And I'm sweating all over. Are we ready to do it? Are you ready, Mark? Yeah. Let's do it. Okay, let's go to another station to find people on the street. Okay guys, I think it has become like difficult to find any other homeless. I mean, maybe on the way we might find some, but for now on, from the harbor, right? That's the harbor.
Sure.
See you guys tomorrow, and then thank you very much, Mark.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, but I mean your presence, and then thank you very much, Daniel, for your help and then contribution.
Danielle.
That's for today, man. Okay. See you guys tomorrow.